Hey, what's up everyone? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I have here a Macross model kit from the Super Dimensional Fortress Macross. So for the fans of Macross out there, now I'm reviewing a Macross model kit here. And this is a 1 in 72 scale from Wave Corporation, and this is the DESTROID Tomahawk from that anime. So what you're seeing here is one of the grunt suits. So it's an equivalent of grunt suits from Macross, which is one of the allies of the Valkyries in defending the Earth from the Zentrades or the aliens on that anime. So what I have here is a nice looking brown colored DESTROID Tomahawk here, which I bought from HobbyLink Japan. So thank you very much, HobbyLink, for sending me this kit. And what we have here is the defender, one of the defenders of the Earth from Zentradi. So the model kit here is not so tall, so it's like about 17 centimeters grunt suit model. And what made me bought this kit is it really looks realistic to happen in the near future. This mecha is having the appearance of a realistic army model kit. So let's take a look on the appearance of the kit. For me, at first it looks like a frog. If you notice the head of the kit, the one you can see here, that looks like the eyes are a gun barrels. But it really looks like a frog initially. And it can open to reveal the pilot figure inside. So there you can see the pilot figure on the head, and it can open there. So this will act as a cockpit, and there it's closed. Then there's the clear part here for the lens or the scope of the gun. And yes, it can open. The mouth can open also, like that. So it will reveal an eye there, a scope. But for me, it's like the mouth of a frog, something like that. So it can close, can open like that. It looks like a frog, to be honest. And this shoulder here, these are shoulder hatch for the missiles, which can open upward. Just be careful when opening the hatch, because it's a little tight, like that. And there, I can open it also. So it's a little tight there. So let's push it back. So these are missiles ready to be launched, but I didn't paint it. I don't have time to paint it. And there are guns also in the thorax region. So these are cannon and 3 barrels of guns there. And the hands, instead of hands, these are cannons, hand cannons. So this is really an equivalent to a heavy arms model for Macross. So the arms can move from like this, move forward, but it cannot do the 360-degree spin because of this accessories on the back. So the shoulders can extend upward like that only, and there's this flap there, but it doesn't help the shoulders on raising higher like that. So the shoulder can move up and up to here only. The elbows can move from this point up to this point only, so it has a limited range of elbow movement, but that's okay because he doesn't have a hand. It only has cannon there instead of a hand. These are cannons, so there are clear plastic there that will act as lenses for the cannon. Unfortunately, I don't like the barrel of this cannon because this supposed to be hollow instead of this having a plastic there, which looks cheap. So this should be hollow because it doesn't look a cannon to me, to be honest. But it's a cannon, supposed to be a cannon. So the waist is a little flimsy, so there's a flimsiness on its waist there, and be careful on moving it. And there, I think there's something dislodged inside the body of this kit. I don't know. Anyway, let's just close the cannon or the missile hatches there. Okay. So there, the waist can rotate 360, but there's a flimsiness here on this joint here. And then the legs can swivel like this, so it can move like this, and also the other one can move like that, and it can kick forward up to this point, can kick backward also, but mind you, while doing that, the hip part there can loosen up. So there's a loosening up on this region. That's why I need to reclamp that again, retightened it. And the knees can move like this up to here, so there's a limited bending of the knees. Also here, there's a limited movement on the knees, and the foot doesn't have that enough range of motion there. So the toes can bend forward, dorsum flex, but it cannot do the plantar flex or the dropping out of the toes. So the ankles can rotate like that. Good thing the ankles can rotate. Also there, the ankles can rotate there. Okay. I just wondering what is that clacking sound inside. It's a bit annoying, to be honest. Anyway, so there's some flimsiness on this kit due to the fact that the polycaps for me is not that good in this kit, and in general also polycaps is not it can easily wear or tear down in the future of using this kind of materials. So anyway, There are no other accessories for this kit aside from this missile hatches here, but I don't have something to open it, so I'll use my finger. Please bear with me. So there, we can open that. So there, let's open one by one these missile hatches. And using my scalpel, I can open it. Nicely done. This is very nice. To be honest, I like the feature or the gimmicks of these opening hatches, because this will make the kit more realistic. And we got some lights here. Supposed to be this is a little white in color, but I don't like to paint it, so it's a light for a night operation. So there, let's close the hatches. But mind you, be careful with this antenna here, because this is a little brittle. Let's do some size comparison of this kit. Since this kit is a 1/72 scale model, you can compare it to a Bandai 1/72 scale model, which is this one, the Servine, and also this high grade here, the Synduality Daisy Ogre. So you can see that the Servine is a bit taller on this kit, even though this is a 17 centimeter in height. Also, this one is on 17 centimeter if you're going to measure it from this for the tip of the head there, and also here on this missile hatch there. So this will be a 17 centimeters. And this Daisy Ogre obviously is small or smaller than this kit here. So let's compare it with the master grade Gundams and high grade Gundam. So we have here high grade Gundam and the master grade 1/100 scale. So it's in between the master grade and the high grade height. And but for me, this is like a short master grade height, and looks really nice together with the master grade Gundams, to be honest. And the most appropriate model kit for this kit to be compared of is the Macross kit from Bandai, which is also a 1/72 scale. But to be honest, this Bandai kit here is it sucks, to be honest, this one. So we got here the see, I'm holding the legs because this is a flimsy kit. It will fall down from time to time due to the fact that I modified the ankles there. This is what I'm talking about, the reviews I did with the gold colored ABS plastic, because it has a gold colored ABS plastic here, and it's very brittle. The fact that I changed the pegs, or I modified the pegs, and I applied ball joints there instead of that peg. But the consequence, this became more flimsy. So this is the 1/72 scale Siegfried from the Macross Delta. And there we can see the height comparison. So the Macross Siegfrieds are obviously taller than the Destroid Tomahawk. I wish I had this Macross VF1A Valkyrie from Bandai, because I think that is the suitable partner for this Destroid Tomahawk here. And they are in the same series of Super Dimensional Fortress Macross anime. So can I recommend you this one? I don't recommend this kit. This is a bullshit kit. Don't buy this Macross Delta kits here. So here, this one, do I recommend, or can I recommend this kit to beginners? Yes, this kit is really easy to build. This is like a big high-grade model from or equivalent to a big high-grade model from Gundam. And it's fun to build, easy to build. And for people who like painting their kits, this is also a recommendable kit, because this kit has a lot of opportunity for you to paint it or do some modification or application of decals and other stuff. So this is a must-buy kit, but right now this kit is a little bit rare for the moment because of its limited stock. But whenever you can see this kind of kit, buy this. This is a must-buy and include in your collection. So this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying goodbye, God bless and take care, good night, masalama, auf Wiedersehen, auf Tschüss, paalam. Thank you very much.